Hello everyone. In this video, we will have a relook at the factorization of polynomials using splitting of middle term. We have learned to factorize polynomial in the form x square plus lx plus m. We factorize them as x plus a into x plus b, where a plus b was L and a into b was m. Because when we do x plus a into x plus b, what we get is x square plus ax plus bx plus ab, and we simplify that, it becomes, and we compare it with here. So if you see here, it is lx here, and here a plus bx, it is m here, and here it is ab, and that's why a plus b is L and ab is m. Then x plus a and x plus b are factors of x square plus lx plus m, and this method we called splitting middle term, factorization by splitting middle term. Now we'll see a variation of this. So now if we have polynomials in format ax square plus bx plus c. In earlier there was no coefficient for x square, now there is a coefficient for x square. And in this case we assume that px plus q and rx plus s are the factors. Now let's simplify this. This gives us p into q x square px into s. So px into s plus now q into rx, q into rx plus s into q or q into s. That is equal to p into q into x square. If you see here, x is common, so ps plus qr into x plus q into s. And now we see here b, if we compare with this, b is same as this. So b is equal to ps plus qr, and we look here, a is equal to pq, and if we compare with c, c is equal to q into s. And now if I do a into c, so that means a multiplied by c becomes p multiplied by q multiplied by q into s. We can rearrange that as p into s into, okay, we have made a small mistake here. Here it should not be pq, it should be pr. And what we can do is p into s into q into r. So now we have got a new variation of splitting middle term. So if we have a polynomial in the form ax square plus bx plus c, in that case we have px plus q and rx plus s as the factors, where b is equal to ps plus qr and ac, a multiplied by c, is equal to ps into qr. So here sum of ps and qr, here multiplication of ps and qr. So we need to find b, which is sum of p, s, qr, and we need to find ac, which is multiplication of these P, S and Q, R. Let's do one small sum to understand this better. So let's take this 6x square plus 17x plus 5. Now we need to split 17 such that their product is equal to 6 into 5. Okay, so such that we need to find factor pairs of 30. So factor pairs are 1, 30, 2 into 15, 3 into 10, 4 not divisible. So 30 not divisible by 4, 5 into 6, and 6 we have already got, so we have got the factors. Now these two terms should add to give us the middle term here, 17, and we see 5 plus 2 is 17, and here 6x square plus 17x plus 5 can be written as 6x square plus 15x plus 2x plus 5. Now we can find common between them. It is 3x is common, so 2x plus 5, plus we'll keep 1 as common and we get 2x plus 5. Now here 2x plus 5, here also 2x plus 5, that is common. So we take that common out, 2x plus 5, and what is remaining here? 3x plus 1. And thus we have factorized 6x square plus 17x plus 5 by splitting the middle term. This is a variation of the method we learned earlier. In this case, we have a coefficient for x square. In earlier method, we didn't have coefficient for x square. And therefore, in this case, we have to multiply the coefficient of x square and the constant. And we have to find factor pairs of that number. So 6 into 5, 30. And we find factor pairs of 30. And those factor pairs should add to give the middle term. I am sure you have liked the video. Hit the like button and leave your views in the comment section below. Do watch our other videos on this topic. Subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to get notifications whenever we upload new videos. You may also download the QTube app at the link provided in the video description. Till we meet again, goodbye.